Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to quickly fill blank cell in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and you can see here I have a large data, and in this data I have a somewhere blank cell. So in this cell I want to fill something. So before that you have to select all cell, those are blank. Okay. So first I select here the full data, press the Ctrl A shortcut key to select the full data here. You can see here the full data is selected, and you can see here the somewhere is a blank cell also showing. Okay, so let's see. After that, press the Ctrl G, and here the go to dialog box is open. Then click on the spatial option, then click on the blanks, and then click on the OK. And here all blank cell is selected. Okay, and here you can see the one cell is showing the different selections. Okay, so in this cell I enter the one, I just enter here the 0. You can see is 0 enter. Okay, now I press Control plus enter. Control plus enter. Don't press only enter. If you press the only enter key, then only this cell fill with the 0. Okay, and if you press the Control plus enter key, then all blank cell will fill with 0. So let's see. I press here the Control plus enter, and that's it. You can see the all blank cell is fill with a 0. Okay, see here all blank cell is filled with 0. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.